Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. Let's start. To start, open the settings in your iPhone. Here, tap on your account in order to open your Apple ID. Now, go to iCloud. Make sure you have given access to iCloud to your photos right here. Here, turn this toggle on to grant it access to your photos. Now, all of your photos will be uploaded to your iCloud automatically, which means you will be able to recover your photos from here. If you had allowed it in the past, you just need to log into your Apple ID and you will find all of your deleted photos here. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. It explained me how we're solving new problems every day.